Hello students, in this video we will start from question number 6 and 6th question is using identities evaluate and first part of this question is 71 whole square. So first we will break this question. So we can write 71 as 70 plus 1. And it is clear from the question that we have to apply first identity to evaluate this question, and first identity is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice of ab plus b square. In place of a we have 70 and in place of b we have 1. So we will substitute value accordingly. In the place of a we will write 70 whole square to multiply by 70 multiply by 1 plus 1 whole square. 70 square is 4900. Second term of this question is 140 and third term is 1. After adding this, we have 5041. In this way, you can solve second, third, fourth, and fifth part of this question. Now, move to the sixth part, and sixth part is 297 multiplied by 303. Again, first we will break down this question. So we can write 297 as 300 minus 3 and we can break down 303 as 300 plus 3. So it is clear from the question that we have to apply third identity a minus b, a plus b. And a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. In the place of a we have 300, in the place of b we have 3. So 300 minus 3 and 300 plus 3. Now we substitute all the values. In the place of a we can write 300 whole square and on the place of b we can write 3 whole square. 300 whole square is 90000 minus 3 whole square is 9. After subtraction, we have 89,991. In this way, you can solve its remaining parts. Now move to the seventh question. Seventh question is using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Find out. First part is 51 square minus 49 square. So students, it is clear from the question that in place of a we can write 51 and in place of b we can write 49. After substituting its value in our identity we have 51 plus 49 and 51 minus 49. 51 plus 49 is 100 and 51 minus 49 is 2. After multiply we obtain 200. In the same way, you can solve remaining parts of this question. Now move to the 8th question. 8th question is using x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Find 103 multiplied by 104. For solving this question, first we will break it, and after breaking it we have 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 4. Now applying identity x plus a x plus b is equal to x square a plus b multiplied by x plus a multiplied by b. In place of x we have 100. In place of a we have 3. In place of b we have 4. Multiply by 100 plus again in place of a we have 3 and in place of b we have 4. square of 100 is 10,000. After solving second term, we have 700, and after solving third term, we have 12. After that, we will add them, and we have 10712. In this way, you can solve remaining parts of this question.